Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton. We are located off 111th Ave and 170th Street in Edmonton, Alberta. We're looking at a pre-owned 2015 INFINITI QX50, 7-speed automatic transmission, 3.7 liter, 6-cylinder engine, all-wheel drive, white exterior, black leather, 4-door, 5-passenger. Powered windows, locks, and side mirrors. Dashboard lending controls, odometer trip and the reset. Your key can get inserted here, vehicle stability control, INFINITI scuff plates, power adjustable front seats, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. It is fully leather wrapped. On it, audio controls, hands-free communication, and cruise control. Use these buttons to control your display screen. Outside temperature gauge, vehicle setup, warnings. Kilometers still empty. Engine start and stop button. Display screen houses your backup camera. Your guidelines. AM, FM. You have satellite, CD, USB, Bluetooth. Analog clock, dual zone climate control, AC, front and rear defrost, side mirrors are heated, storage, power outlets, leather shift knob, heated front seats, snow mode, under your armrest you'll find power outlet, the USB input, lockable glove compartment, sunglass holder, flip review mirror. 18-inch wheels, keyless entry with smart access, aftermarket engine mode start, roof rails, dual exhaust, button right here unlocks the trunk, cargo cover, this is removable. Right here, buttons to release the back seats, trunk lighting, spare tire and jack underneath the floor, overhead you have your handle. Powered window controls, storage and speakers on the sides of the doors, backseat pockets, ventilation ducts, fold down armrest. It has cup holders on it. To fold it down, you pull on the strap. Overhead handles, hooks, and lighting. Backseat is 60-40 splits. To fold it down, pull up on the knobs. Side mirrors can fold shut. Underneath them, you have your pedal lamp lights, daytime running lights, fog lights, engine block heater, and so much more. So come on down to Lexus of Edmonton and check out all of our pre-owned inventory.